Any artists out there want to be an artist and want to stay a star and don't want to have to worry about the executive producer trying to be all in the videos, all on the record, dancing, come to Death Row.
The East Coast don't love Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. The East Coast ain't got no love for Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg and Death Row. Y'all don't love us. Y'all don't love us. Well, let it be known then.
Man, we gonna dive straight everything. He didn't get it. The big boy. Oh my goodness, Jordan Mala, hooda. Touchdown. That's a pick. Yo, catch the pick. Oh my good. I'm speechless. Yo, YouTube, what the it is? We are back with Coach Snoop and the Fresno State Bulldogs Dynasty, man. We are sitting at 6-1. Bowl eligible already. 6-1, but it's bigger than a bowl game now. It's bigger than a bowl game this year. Bigger than a bowl game, man. Uh-oh. This week, we got a bitter rivalry game. And they beat us last year. We need this get back. Okay, Kentucky with a close win versus Missouri. UTSA is the 10th best team in the nation. Alabama with a close win over Florida. Maryland with the big jump. They beat Pittsburgh, who was what, number 2 in the nation? 59-20. Is Maryland like that this year? Okay. You know what we did. Okay. Cincinnati beat Oklahoma. Oklahoma was top something. Purdue beat Ohio State. Purdue was like that this year. What the hell? And of course, USC loses to Stanford. 3-point loss, 27-24. Okay, Kansas State is at Oklahoma this week. Cincinnati is at Texas A&M this week. Miami is playing North Carolina. Kentucky is at Georgia. Georgia is 3-4. Georgia might want Snoop at the end of the year. Rutgers is at Nebraska. Maryland is at Syracuse. Oregon is at Washington. Washington is 6-1. They must have lost last week.
Aloha. Welcome to paradise. Aiea, Hawaii, just outside of Honolulu and the home of the
Aloha.
Rainbow Warriors will kick it away.
Let's get this started. 6-1. We back ranked. Hawaii 3. Look at my controller. So broke. Let's help them out, man. They ain't trying to go no goal. This is the battle for the golden screwdriver. Last year we lost. It ain't happening again. Oh, over the middle of the Nico. 3rd and 2. Oh my goodness. 4th and 2, we going for it. Oh no, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the line. We gonna audible. Leacock! Come on, Lee! 1st and 10, man. We on defense. Leacock let us down. I talked you up like you was gonna be defensively receive and all that, man. It's a pick. If he throwing wild throws, it's gonna be a good game for us. His first throw was wild. Uh-oh. David Ayu. Gritty. Oh yeah? They gave up 4 sacks last week. They gave up 4 sacks last week. They gave up 2 back-to-back. All right, Joe. Post-com now. So, I ended up not saving, or I don't know what happened really, but it's a large chunk of the middle of the first quarter that I don't got no more. So we going to jump ahead to the end of the second quarter. No, end of the first quarter, starting of the second quarter for real. But I ended up missing like 3 touchdowns, yo. My fault, yo. I don't know what the fuck I was doing.
Back to throw, it's Wood. They're bringing heat.
Now that was risky.
Wrap up the first quarter. That's the end of the quarter, guys.
End of the first quarter. Your Bulldogs up 14-7. Passing game looking good. We gotta run the ball. Gotta run the ball. Oh, they locking in now, huh? Nobody on the Dallas. Oh, that's on the Dallas. Oh, shit, nobody on. Shit, he wide open. Go score. Damn, he died out of bounds. They got 3 in the middle. They got 3 in the middle though. But we got the big bruise. Touchdown!
This offense knew coming into the season it was so important for this guy to stay healthy. They needed him week in, week out.
Ideally, you want him to get less yards than that, but 3rd and 7. We here, Morton Thomas, running the cover 4. I'm playing the sticks. Nobody's open. That's a sack. Coverage sack again. Nobody was open. Blue. Look at the rip move. Bang! They're looking better for the tip. What?
Keep doing what you're doing. Everything seems to be working. You see that this defense.
3rd and 6. We're looking for avocado. For Newcomb. Oh shit, that's a touchdown. Oh, never mind. 1st and 10. That's me! Yo, I was looking at the running back. Then I straight he throwed it right where I'm supposed to be at. That's me, child. No, that's Tim Thomas. That ain't me. 1st and 10. We ran past them, my guy. 1st and goal from the 3. I'm on Brandon. Let's go. 2nd and goal from the 2. He lost his starting safety spot, but when he do get in, he make a play just crashing down, stopping the run in the backfield. 3rd and 5. Well, 3rd and goal from the 5. Sam! Yo, I was backing up. I couldn't move forward. It's an elite cock beat. Is that an interception? Yes, it is. All right, that was a bad decision by Wood. Turn the ball over, and now we on our heels. I'm on Tyrod Alton. Well, I was. Shit. I'm on Rouse. It's a run. They driving now, shorty. We jumping into the man-to-man coverage now. They driving. Hat on the hat. Screen. Screen. Rouse! Second and 10. I'm right there, bro. I see it. Shit. Slant wide open. They driving again. Under a minute left. They chewing clock. They terrible. You ready to catch this pick now? They chewing clock. He caught that. 1st goal from the 1, man. Hawaii is not playing. And that's the touchdown to tie the game. Oh, I threw the pick. He's sitting right there in the zone. He's sitting right there in the zone. Yo, what the? Yeah. Shit. First and 10, man. We get the geeking at the end of the second half. I mean, at the end of the first half. Don't we? We get the geeking at the end of the first half. Yo, come on, yo. Rouse, can I move? Why don't we stay on the guy when he's turned around and stay right there? Be back in the cover to you again. Get on. Nobody's moving. He's running, and that's the touchdown. Fourth and goal from the 4. And we don't get it. We run the zone. We running a man blitz. Good job. Man blitz again. You guessed it. Man blitz again. Yo, do a regular juke, yo. I'm ready to start pressing, yo. I mean, just. There you go, right there. They run a man blitz. They shouldn't have ran that man blitz. Touchdown! Seth Nickham. Tied up, 28 all. 28 all. Oh my goodness, Calero with the pickers. Damn. What the pickers? First and 10 from the 27. We can take the lead back. We going for the shot play. Oh, we gave the shit right back. Yo, and he wasn't open either. I just tried to, like, it was nothing, bro. Nothing. But we gave it right back. He going underneath to him right there. Or he right there. Yo, we literally gave it right back. Wood having his worst game. 3 interceptions. Oh my god. Come on, Rouse. Come on, Rouse. They in the pistol now. He not even picked on it, bro. Shit. Bro, the scramble killing us. The scramble was killing us. Alright. I'm on Tim Thomas, middle of the field. Roman reins. Oh, that's a pick. Yo. Of all the interceptions you don't have, you do this? He threw it up on 3 people? Well, really 1, because them 2 guys beat. And you do this? You playing volleyball? On Tim Thomas again. He on a slot receiver. I don't like that. And he gets beat. And there we go. So literally, as I'm talking about it, he gets beat. Rouse! Press coverage. Rouse in the middle of the field. Damn. Who was that? The play. Oh, he can't move, yo! Bro, I'm trying to get over there. He's not moving. What the? All right, bro. Michael A.O. whatever his name is. Touchdown, bro. All right. Down 7, man. 2nd and 11. shit. Horrible, bro. 3rd and 11.
On 3rd down, he drops the throw. Got his man.
Good job, Seth Newcomb. He there for us when we need it. Seth Newcomb, he there for us when we need it.
This offense absolutely humming as they come to the line.
Minute left in the 3rd. Ready, say 4th.
Two-step squeeze. This junior knows how to get him on the ground.
And sticking to the run. I'll tell you what, a lot of teams that are really good are really stubborn, and they continue to run the football even with little success. So this offense is going to continue to focus on running.
Good catch. Seth Newcomb. Oh my goodness.
With a big completion way down the field.
Just transform the whole offense. We got 3 weapons. Oh, you spinning. I was trying to run him over. We put Chisholm in. Rivers a little tired, and we need to just a ground and pound type game. But we need a big bruise.
Defense makes the tackle, and that will probably be the final play of the 3rd quarter. And you want to talk about his favorite
Starting the 4th, man. We looking like last year's team, man. We doing everything we can to lose the game. We down 35-20. 3rd and 4. Avocado. Let's go. 1st and goal from the 1. Now, I saw Ula Woola open, right? But I was scared.
Now, because of the pass completion, it's 1st and goal.
Touchdown. And tie the game up. For all the times that the big bruiser stole a touchdown from Rivers, he get one back. This look like last year's team. We got a nail biter again. Nail biter again. Throw that shit. I don't know. I ran past it. You run. Get him! 5 sacks today. Satal. Satellite. Jerry is Satellite with the sack.
This offensive line race, they've got to do a
2nd and 14. Cover 3. We running it.
try and figure out which people on defense are going to be rushing the passer. Right now, this offense just looks
Damn, he doing a good job with that. Beating that cover 3 with that. All right. 3rd and 3. We going man coverage. 3rd and 3. We going Emmanuel. I can't even finish saying what I'm saying.
They'll go to work on 2nd down after doing damage on the ground.
Bro. They RP on us again. They're frying us with the RPO. 1st and 10. Let's go. 2-yard gain. We on that. Miller, step up. They're running the RPOs. Step up. Oh, shit. Step up. They running RPOs, and he go right past. Hawaii not going away, bro. Hawaii is not going away. 42-35. 4:30 left in the 4th quarter. And we get sacked. That play takes so long to develop. 2nd and 21, my guy. 2nd and 21. We got Avocado for the touchdown. It ain't over yet. Yo, it is not over yet. Avocado. Thank you. Screen took so long. We on that. He remind me of Thomas Davis. He almost caught me. Defense make a stop, finally. 3 minutes left, man. 3 minutes left. Tie ball game. We try and walk this down, get the field goal, get up out of here. You hear it? Shit, I cut up too early. Uh-oh. Josh Wood with the I already said messed up though. With a bad throw on an open receiver. They forgot he could run. They forgot he could run. We wait till the 2-minute warning. Nah, I gotta look that we like. 33. Oh my goodness, big bruiser. 3rd and 3. Big bruiser. 3rd and short. Boom! Square right up with him. Boom! Sound like the Undertaker. Just under 2 minutes left, 1st and 10. We still running that ball. Oh, we still running that ball. Don't get it confused. We running that ball. Look, it's like, okay. Let's get it. 6 yards. 6 yards. I told we try and walk it down. Get out of here with a field goal. We try and walk it down. 2nd and 8. She ain't on a run game. Big bruiser. The big bruiser is in. I thought he was hurt. We running it again. Same play. Same play. We ain't trying to confuse nothing. Same play. 1st and goal from the 5. We leaning on the run game. We couldn't do this last year. We couldn't lean on the run game last year. 1st and goal from the 5. Approaching under 30 seconds left. Field goal in our back pocket. We do need to get to the left a little bit though. We don't want to kick it from the 1 hash mark. We're going to let the time run a little bit. We do got 3 timeouts. This could be 3 runs to the left. Oh, we don't need 3 runs. Oh, we got right there. Run that numbers. 2nd and goal. We're going to the big bruiser. We're going to the big bruiser and he gets stuffed. All right. 3rd and goal. And the ball end up on the left. I said I didn't want the ball on the hash, and the ball end up on the right hash. 23-yard kick. 6-mile-per-hour winds facing the opposite direction. Oh my goodness. He made it! Barely made it. Ooh. Ooh.
It's crazy because it's nerve-wracking. You put your body on the line for so long, and then it comes down to a kick.
3 seconds left. 3 seconds left. We sky kicking this motherfucker. Tuka? Yeah, waste your time running this ball. Hold on, let him go. Let him go, let him go, let him go, let him go, let him go. Tackle now. Ooh. Yeah! And your Fresno State Bulldogs and Coach Snoop go out here and get a W. We win the battle for the golden screwdriver in a nail biter. Joshua Wood, 385 passing yards and 4 touchdowns.
No doubt about it, David. That's a tough situation to be in. There's so much pressure on these individual players to have to step up and have to make that big play. But you can see the
battle for the golden screwdriver.
And now moving forward, this is a huge confidence builder for this team.
We get that get back from last year. We was leaning on a run. until right here. They had this man, right? No, they didn't. No, they didn't. 65. 65. 65. If you block the linebacker in front of you, and if y'all two double team 91, we going right up the gut. Y'all double team 91, 65, you get the middle linebacker, Newcomb, you coming through the hole to get 28. That's a touchdown. But he shot the gap. 35, he shot the gap. Blew the whole play up. But then we got the touchdown. The 89-yard touchdown to Avocado. Josh Wood made up for them bad decisions with that one right there. Perfect throw, just laying it out there like Avocado beat him early. Just get press him right to the sideline. Gone. That was a wild back and forth game. The battle for the golden screwdriver, and we come out on top. 45-42, sitting at 7-1 on the season. We back in the rankings at number 24. Big game next week. Big game next week. We go up on that blue turf next week to go play Boise State. If you got that Doug in you, if you consider yourself one of my Dougs, like the video, comment, share, subscribe, man. It's Coach Snoop and the Fresno State Bulldogs, yo. We ranked. We 7-1. See y'all on the next one, man. We out.